You want this? You want this? They will eat ice candy. They really love to eat cold. Wait. Enough. Ala. Ako ano ni? No more. Ang kabiya may hindi kaon. Dulog-dulog ni si Jaya. Sagdara sila. What's up? Ipa akin ni. Dulog-dulog. Hey. Lolo Joyo. Joyo ko nalukoy. Here, kuan man ni kaning competition. Sige. Naa pa dyan reward. Kisay maka finish it fast, ha? Dali! Sige, bike na biya! Dali! Lumba. They're competitive eating ice candy. Dalo-dalo siya kay Jayo. Yung gunitan. Ikuha silang duha ko. Dali kas babaw ko.
Kuha, mita no?
Nice. Cold. Huh? Ano? Si Jaya. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Lagi silang kaon na. Ala, dako pa kabiya. Ala, Jaya gamay lang kayo la dali. Ipa akmit. Ala, dulog-dulog si Jaya, dude. Ala, finish! Yeah, winner si Jaya, winner. Winner si Jaya, winner. See? Winner. How about you, Bea? No, enough. Plastic na lang. Sit. Jaya, sit. Jaya, sit. Sit. Jaya. Sit. Dili ko matag ni mo. Di ka mo kuan lingkod. Faster, Bea. Faster. Sit, Jaya. Huh? Sit. Come on, sit. Good girl. Yan ang gunita sing kamutron. Ala. Yan gunita sing kamutron. Agay. So heavy. No more. Plastic na. No more na. Plastic na. Come on, Bea. Faster, Bea. Faster. So after we have our dinner, so no, Jaya, no more na, Jaya. Plastic no more na. Come on, Ria. She's not used to eat food only this time, so she eats really slowly. But Jaya really love to eat food. Even the ice, she really crack it on Momo. Enough. Here for you. Sit.